Welcome to my channel, Purposeful Play, where I talk about all things early childhood education. I'm Danielle, and I teach 4K in Wisconsin. And I moved my table around in my classroom. It's actually my craft room that I'm using for my classroom right now. So there's a lot of stuff back here, but the lighting is better here for when I'm Zooming with my kids. So you get to enjoy the messiness of my classroom. My classroom craft room. Today, super quick video. I wanted to share with you how you can use the slides and game activities that I've shared with you, and you can edit them and play with them with your own kids without me having to grant you access to it. Super easy. I just want to make sure that everybody knows how to use them. So let's get started. If you would like to make a copy or be able to edit and move the pieces that are on the Google Slides, here's what you have to do. So if you open up one of the slides, you'll notice that you don't have access to move them because I have not given you that permission because I don't want people to go in and change my slides that I'm using with my kids. So what you have to do is you just have to go to File, make a copy, and this is only one slide in this copy, so in this one, so you can click an entire presentation, you can name it what you want and save it where you want, and after that, then you will have access to editing and moving things on here. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you need more help. All right, thanks for watching that super fast video. I've had a lot of requests from people to grant them access to the slides, but I don't want to do that because then what happens is people can edit my slide. So they can move it around. They could even be in there at the same time that I'm having a small group with kids and be moving things around and deleting and changing things. So if you follow the instructions that I just shared with you, you can have your own small group games and you can do with them what you choose. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let me know if you need any more help with this. Have a happy day.